Good morning bathandekayo. Kunabantu abafuna ukukhunjuzwa. Ithi Nkosi ake nginikhumbuze. You were faithful esiswini saka mamakho. You were faithful unoma uphuma esiswini saka mamakho. Ukhula, you were faithful. Ungena isikolo, you were faithful. Waze wafika la kumele ukuthi ufike khona, you are still faithful. This faithfulness that is within you started long time ago. This faithfulness that is within you started in the spirit. You waking up this morning, it says you are faithful because of God is faithful. So Inkosi ithi kumina namhlanje bakhumbuza ukuthi they must be still in their faith. They must remain faithful. Remain faithful. Because of Uti, you were faithful even before you met a pastor. You were faithful before you met a preacher who started preaching about faith. Faith was this thing that kept you going. Faith was this thing that kept you moving in the storms, in the dark tunnels. Yay, kwakunzima lapho uphuma khona, but you kept on going. You kept on going. Ube waphaphela, ube waqhubeka waya phambili. Uthi uNkulunkulu namhlanje remain historical. Zikhumbuze inkolo yakho, zikhumbuze ifaith yakho. Ayikivuseleleka le faith engaphakathi wena. Uthi uNkulunkulu ngaphefumula umoya wami phakathi nina. Ngathi manginimbumba kangiphefumulela umoya wami. Manginiphefumulela umoya wami, kanginika amandla wami. Nganginika amandla wami. I was giving you me. That is why, even in the dark tunnels, that is why when you sleep and feel restless and say, Nkosi ngithatha, and then you wake up the next morning and you're still alive because of He is faithful. Remain faithful, because of uthi mina ngulo uNkulunkulu obonelelayo. Ngibone ebumnyameni, ngibone ekhanyeni, ngiyabonelela noma ungababazi, noma ungarasi, noma ungakhulumi kakhulu, kodwa uyakubona ukuthi you remain faithful, you remain still, you remain still, because of noma kukubi noma kukuhle, kodwa kukhona lamandla lokwele kuvusa, kukhona lamandla akuvusayo athi ungayekeleli. It is your faith, it is the power, hulo moya awuphefumulela kuwena. So remain in His spirit, remain still, remain faithful kule nyanga entsha. Amen bazalwane.